So you want to make a 2D VTuber model ready for rigging, but you don't want to do it on your computer or laptop? There's a simple way to do it on your mobile, Apple, or Android device for free. And today I'm going to show you how to make a 2D VTuber model ready to rig with Live 2D on your phone. First things first, you're going to want to download IBIS PaintX, which is available for free in the Play Store. Then you're going to go to your creations, hit the plus sign, and make it whatever size you want. Right now you're looking at the canvas. You don't want it to be too small, but you also don't want it to be too big. I chose 768 by 1024 because that was the size that worked best for me. Now looking at this, it seems like there's a lot of buttons. You can press the little 1 button in the corner to see that there's a bunch of different layers that you can make. Press the plus sign to make a new layer. You can make it as many layers as you want. Now this is my model. There's a lot of layers for this, which I have them all tucked into folders. You're gonna want to have a lot of folders to make it easier for whoever is rigging your model. Everything on your model will be divided up into different sections. This is so that you can actually animate the model so that it moves when you speak, move your head, however you're gonna move. Now let's take a look at the eyes, because for some people this can be the most complicated. The first layer of the eye is called the sclera, the white part. Then you're gonna want to add the shadow, the lower eyelid, the upper eyelid, the upper eyelid, the eyebrow, the actual iris itself. Then you can put the highlights separate to make it move more, but I decided not to do that. Now let's take a look at the mouth. First you have the back color, which is the darker color. Then you have the tongue, the bottom teeth, the upper teeth. This looks a little creepy. The lower lip, and the upper lip. For the lips, you'll want to have some squares around them to make sure that it covers up the rest of the mouth. Now let's look at the hair. There's the back layer of the hair, the bangs, the right bang, the left bang, any accessories that you want to add on. I have quite a few accessories in my hair. Any ears, if you have any animal ears. And now let's look at the face. There's the bottom layer, the shadow layer, the blush, the second blush layer, it's kind of hard to see it, the nose highlight, and now let's look at all the other layers. There's the basic body layer, which mine looks a little weird because I got pretty lazy. Any accessories, which I added a little blanket. And make sure when you're drawing your neck that it does leave a little bit of a stub like that. It makes it easier for the animator. And now here's the model all together. When you're saving it, you're going to want to press back. Then there's the little share button, which is next to the play button and the 3 little dots. You're going to want to save it as a PSD file, separated layers, but you do not want to do the flattened layers or else it will not work. Then you can share it to wherever you want to. I shared mine to a private Discord server because that made it a lot easier for me to save it to my computer. If this video was helpful for you in any way, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I will definitely answer them for you. If you're ready to rig it, I'm sorry, but I can't really help you with that. I'm not really sure how to do it, and I sent this model over to my friend to be able to rig it for me. Though I will link them in the description so you can check them out if you want to. By the way, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is dubyenergy. Dubby is a clean energy drink that is made to give you focus with no crash, jitters, or angst like other energy drinks. They also have no maltodextrin fillers and don't use any artificial dyes. So for your next game, go ahead and pick up one of the new flavors of Dubby. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!